For today's recipe, here I've taken a pan and I'm going to add 3 glasses of water to it. To that, here I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Along with that, here I'm also going to add 250 grams of cauliflower. After adding all these ingredients, I'm now going to let this cook for 4 minutes until the water starts to boil. After 4 minutes, once the water starts to boil, you can now switch off the flame and strain the cauliflower from it. After straining the cauliflower, it is absolutely important to ensure that the cauliflower remains dry before adding the rest of the ingredients. You can then take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of water. You can now mix all these ingredients really well until it forms into a paste. Once this forms into a paste, you can then add the piece of the cauliflower to it. After adding the piece of the cauliflower, you can now mix all of this really well until the cauliflower has been coated with the entire mixture. After that, you can then take a pan and add enough oil to it so that you can deep fry the cauliflower. Once the oil is hot enough, you can then add the piece of the cauliflower one by one. After adding the piece of the cauliflower, you can then fry this until the time the cauliflower turns to a golden color and is also really crispy. It is important to fry this in 2 to 3 different batches so that it does not stick to each other. After 4 minutes, once the cauliflower turns to a golden color and is also crispy, you can then transfer this fried cauliflower to a plate and keep it aside. After doing so, you can then make the second and the third batch as well. As you can see here, I've now fried all the pieces of the cauliflower and I've kept it aside. You can then either take a wok or a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. To that, here you can add 8 chopped garlic cloves, 2 chopped green chillies, and half a medium-sized onion. I'm now going to fry all of these ingredients for a period of 3 minutes. After frying it for 3 minutes, you can then add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, and salt as per taste. You can now fry this for 30 seconds. After frying it for 30 seconds, you can then add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 3/4 tablespoon of soy sauce, and here you can then fry this for another 30 seconds. After doing so, you can then add half tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. You can now mix all of these ingredients really well, and after doing so, you can then add the fried cauliflower to it. After adding all of the pieces of the fried cauliflower, I'm now going to mix this really well with the rest of the ingredients and fry this for 2 minutes. After frying it for 2 minutes, you can now switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.